The Unity Slim Smart Lock can be programmed in two ways, on the Yale Home App or manually. This video covers how to program the Unity Slim Smart Lock with the Yale Home App. For easier setup, added convenience and control of your lock, programming your lock on the Yale Home App is recommended. When you're programming your lock, make sure to keep the door open at all times, or you could find yourself locked out. With the door open, remove the top battery cover with a flathead screwdriver. Press the R button under the top battery cover. Create and enter your master code. You can choose any 6-digit code you like. Press the gear key. Then enter the master code again to confirm. Press the gear key once more to complete. Whenever you wish to use the keypad, palm it to wake it up. Then enter your code. Then press the tick key to unlock. When entering or leaving, simply lift and release the handle to activate multi-point locking after you've closed the door. This will lock the door by disconnecting the outside handle while securely engaging the deadbolt and locking rods at the top and bottom of the door if installed. If you wish to change the master code, navigate to the main menu by entering your master code. Press the R button, then press 1 followed by the gear key. Follow the voice prompts to complete. Once you finish setting up your master code, we recommend using the Yale Home App, which can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store on your iOS or Android smartphone. Ensure you've turned on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then open up the Yale Home App, select Set Up New Device, and scan the QR code on the inside of the top battery cover. Follow the prompts from the app to get the screen. On your smart lock, activate App Pairing Mode by entering your master code. Then pressing the R button, followed by the number 7 on the keypad, and then by the gear key. Pairing mode will be active on your lock for 5 minutes only. On your smartphone, select Begin Setup to start scanning for your smart lock. Then your app will tell you your lock has been paired. You now have total control of the smart lock with the Yale Home App within Bluetooth range. With the app, you'll now be able to operate your lock, conveniently assign or remove user codes, and adjust lock settings. A Connect Plus Hub 2 will allow you to control and manage your lock from anywhere you have an internet connection. Your app will prompt you to set up your hub device, which you can choose to set up now or later. Once connected to the Yale Home App, 2 steps are required to factory reset the lock. The first step is to disconnect the lock from the Yale Home App. This will restore the default setting by deleting all user codes and lock settings. The master code will remain. To do this, open up your Yale Home App and go to Lock Settings. Select Factory Reset and follow the prompts. The second step is to clear the master code on the lock. There are 2 options to factory reset your lock, depending on which firmware your lock uses. For locks running firmware version 1.8.0 or later, use option 2. For option 1, remove the battery cover, then remove the batteries, then remove the internal body by unscrewing the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. On the inside of the internal body, locate the reset button shown. Press and hold the reset button while reinserting the batteries until completed is heard.
Welcome to the Yale digital world. Completed.
Now remount the internal body. For locks running firmware version 1.8.0 or later, a factory reset can be performed using the reset button without removing the lock from the door. Follow these steps. Remove the battery cover and take out one battery. Press and hold the reset button. While continuing to hold the reset button, reinstall the battery. Keep holding the button until you hear the completed voice prompt. Then release it. This prompt will sound approximately 10 seconds after the battery is reinstalled. The lock has now been successfully reset to factory settings. Refit the battery cover.